Hi guys, this is Kenny with Flytime RC. We're doing another maiden flight on a new plane. So yesterday I ended up wrecking my green plane on a pile of metal over there. I was trying to fly upside down. I did a couple mods to the plane, trying to make the tail surface a little bit bigger, and I don't know what happened exactly, but it flew upside down terribly, which is kind of a bummer because it did so good before. Even though I didn't really build it for that, it seemed to do pretty well before. Anyways, I crashed the plane, I ripped the wing off, and I could have totally put it back together because the fuselage was fine, like everything was in pretty decent shape. But I figured that gave me a good opportunity to start again and see if I can improve on the design that I did before. So that is this plane. So the green plane was, I think, 156 grams, which was like perfect. The weight was absolutely perfect. This one, I was trying to get as close to that weight as possible, but I also wanted to make the wing surface a little bit bigger along with the tail, and then also wanted bigger ailerons, bigger elevator, bigger rudder, because I just wanted better control of the plane, and also I wanted to get more into 3D flying if I could. I figured this would be a good way to learn. So with doing that, this plane turned out to be about 20 grams heavier, so it's about 172 grams, which is still pretty good. The original Turbo Timber Evo that all these parts came out of, I believe, was 156 with the battery, so we're really close. I think it's close enough that it's not going to make really any difference. So this is the new design. This is kind of like the original Turbo Timbers, and also took some design cues from the Ultra Stick, so it's a little bit more basic. I also have a lot less angle on the wing, so this may have a little less lift, but it also might fly a little faster, and also may fly upside down a little bit better. So we're gonna find that out. Otherwise, all the electronics are the same. I have way more throw because I have bigger ailerons, bigger rudder, and bigger elevators. So this thing should be able to spin really fast, should be able to do rolls really fast, and hopefully fly upside down really well. So let's see if it flies. I can tell it's flying good. Slow it down a little bit. I can tell that it needs to be trimmed out for sure. So it keeps trying to go up. And it's rolling to the left. I'm trying to trim it out. It's acting like it's a little tail heavy. It might be, but I know I need to add some more trim. Kind of slowing it down right now so I can trim it. Man, this thing is flying crazy slow. I'm not sure if it's because it's tail heavy or if it's just getting a ton of lift. I know I need to do a lot of tuning. So let's get this thing down a little further. It looks like it's doing okay, but I think when I bring it down, I'm gonna try to reset the elevator and have it pointing down a little bit more and see if I can get it to fly flat. Because with just a little bit of down elevator, it flies much, much better. So I'm going to go ahead and bring it down, and I'm just going to double check the elevator and see if I can get it to fly a little flatter. Man, this thing just likes to stay up. Like, it has no problem staying up in the air. That's with zero throttle. It's just coasting. Man, it's pretty awesome.